How to fix WhatsApp not showing contact's name. So here is how to fix it. So let's get started. First of all you have to do is open the WhatsApp app on your mobile device and make sure that you are logged into your WhatsApp account. This process is same for the Android and iPhone, so make sure you follow it accordingly. Now all you have to do is tap on the settings icon available at the bottom right corner of your screen for the iOS, and for Android you can tap on the three dot icon at the top right and navigate to the settings of WhatsApp. Now here scroll down and tap on the privacy button available there. Inside privacy, again scroll down unless you see the contacts option available and tap on it. And make sure that your contacts option available in there is toggled on. Once you toggle this on, then you will grant all the contact permission on your phone and it will appear according to their names. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.